students, in this video we'll see how to find HCF of number 45, 65 and 75 by finding all the factors. So as we know, long form of HCF is highest common factor, which means in this question they are asking you which is the biggest number which divides these all three numbers without leaving remainder. So that number we need to find. So before that we need to remember all the steps. First step, we'll find all the factors of these given numbers. We'll begin with number 45. We'll find all the factors of number 45. So first we know that 1 into 45 is the first two factors of the given number 45. Next number is 2. It's the number 45 is not divisible by 2 because it is an odd number. We skipped. Next number is 3. This 3 divides this 45 exactly because 4 plus 5 9. So hence I wrote 3. So 3 how many times 45? We don't know. We will divide this 45 by 3. So we wrote 3 ones are 3. We took 3. 4 minus 3 it is 1. 4 minus 3 it is 1 is the remainder. 1 remainder I wrote here. 1 remainder and next digit is 5. Together it forms the number 15. 3 how many times 15 means 3 5s are 15. I wrote 5s are 15 minus 15 0. Hence we got a quotient as 15. So here I wrote number 3 into 15. This is the answer. Next we have 4. This 45 is not divisible by 4 because if we see there last two digits are not divisible by 4. Next number is 5. This number is divisible by 5 because divisibility test of a 5 is if ones place come with 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. But in ones place we have 5, hence it is divisible by 5. 5 how many times? We know that 5 9s are 45. I wrote 9 here. Next number, after next we have 6. It's not divisible by 6 because if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. But this number 45 is not divisible by 2. Hence we can say that it's not divisible by 6. Next number we have 7. It's not divisible by 7. It's not there in 7th table. Okay. Next 8. Both the number again it is not divisible by 8 also. Last three digits are not divisible exactly. Hence it is not divisible by 8. Next number is 9. It is divisible by 9, but we already got the number 9. Hence we will stop at here. We got all the factors of 45 as 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Next we have number 65. First we wrote 1 into 65. After 1 we have a number 2. This 65 is not divisible by 2 because it is a odd number. Next number is 3. Sum of a digit 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 is not a multiple of 3. It's not divisible by 3. We skipped 3. Next number is 4. Last two digits are not divisible by 4. Hence it is not we skipped number 4 also. After that we have number 5. This 65 is divisible by 5 because in ones place we have 5. 5 how many times we'll see. So if you start dividing this 65 by 5, 5 ones are 5. What is the remainder? 6 minus 5. We got remainder 1. 1 and next digit is 5. It forms the number 15. 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 15 0. We got quotient as this number 13. Okay. Now that only I wrote here number 13. Next after 6 we have a 5. We have 6. The number is not divisible by 6 because the number 65 is neither divisible by 2 nor divisible by 3. Next number is 7. It's not divisible by 7 also. 7 9s are 63. 2 remainder we will get. Next number is 8. This number 65 is not divisible by 8 also. Next, after that, we have a number, what? 9. Sum of a digit is 11. 11 is not a multiple of 9. It's not divisible by 9. Next number is 10. It's not divisible by 10 because in one's place we should have 0, but here it is 5. Next number is 11. It's not there in 11's table. We can say it's not there in 12's also, but it is there in 13's table. 13 5s are 65, but already we got the 13, hence we got all the factors of this 65 as 1, 5, 13 and 60. Last number we'll find all the factors. 1 into 75, first two factors. This 75 is an odd number, it's not divisible by 2. Sum of a digit is 12, it is divisible by 3. How many times? We'll check. We wrote number 3. But how many times? We'll divide. So see there, I wrote here number 75. I wrote here number 75. 3 how many times? We'll see. 3 2s are, I wrote 2s are 2 here. 6. 7 minus 6, that is 1 remainder. 1 and this 5 became number 15. 3, how many times 15? 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 15, 0. We got quotient as how much? Number 25. That only I wrote 3 into 25. Next, after 3 we have 4. This number is not divisible by 4 because you can say it is an odd number. All the odd numbers are not divisible by 4. Okay. Next we have 5. This number is divisible by 5. That only I wrote. How many times we'll see. So 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5. It is, this time we got remainder 2. This remainder 2 and the next number 5 forms the number 25. 5 how many times 25 means 5 5s are 25. Hence we got the quotient as 15. That only I wrote here 5 into 15. Next number is 6. It's not divisible by 6 because the number 75 is not a multiple of 2. Okay. Next number is 7. It's not divisible by 7 because 7 10s are 70, 7 11s are 77. Next number is 8. It's not divisible by 8 also. Number 9 also it is not divisible. 10 also it is not divisible. Next we have number 11. 11 also it is not divisible. 11 7s are 77 we have. Okay. 12 also it is not divisible. Next number is 13. It's not there in 30's table also. Next number is 14. It's not there in 14's also. Next we have number 15. So 15 already we got, and so we will stop. All the factors of this number 75 are, here we wrote all the factors of this 75 as 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. So these are the factors, all the factors we got, hence we need to find HCF. We'll begin with first biggest factor of all the factors of number 45. 45 is a factor of 45, but it's not a factor of 65, hence we skip. Next number is 15. 15 is a factor of 45 and 75, but it is not a factor of 65, hence we skipped. Next number is 9. 9 is a factor of this 45, but it's not a factor of 65 and 75, we left. Next number is 5. 5 is a factor of 45. 5 is a factor of 65. 5 is a factor of 75. Hence, we circled that all the things. Now, here we came to know that this is the biggest number which divides this 45 also, 65 and 75. Hence, we can write HCF of 65, 45 and 75 equals to